tupendane mpaka runda. She got the Coca-Cola bottle shape. When she wanna waste, you gonna be get. She got the Coca-Cola bottle shape. When she wanna waste, you gonna be get. Basi chuchuma, pepeta, fanya kama vile unatetema. Chuchuma, pepeta, fanya kama vile unatetema. Na kama ngori ni ngori, you are the queen of my heart. The shape and your body figure fine inanifa. Coca-Cola bottle shape umeshinda, utadhani umeiva ni vita dus.
Hey guys, so this was in the morning. I was trying to prepare some pancakes for us to eat. So yes, as you can see, I'm preparing. I have a flour and I've added water. Yeah, I'm mixing it. I'm mixing now flour and water so that I can add eggs. Yeah, you have to mix it first. For me, I usually mix it first before I add the eggs. For some people, they prefer first mixing it with the eggs, but in all, it always comes out well. In whichever way you use, it's okay. For me, I usually use this one. Yeah, so let's mix it and meet on the next step. So guys, it is done, as you can see, and now it's my time to add my egg. I used one egg because I needed just small pancakes, not so many. Yeah, so I added one egg. You can add two if you want or more, but for me I prefer to use one so that it can't be too shouting on my pancakes. Yeah, so let's mix it until it is done. Yeah, I've already mixed it, as you can see guys, and it's done now. It's my time, it's high time to add my sugar. Yeah, I usually add more sugar because I love my pancakes. Yeah, as you can see, I'm adding sugar, more sugar. I love it when they have more sugar than the salt. Some people prefer to add more salt than the sugar, but for me, I prefer to add more sugar than the salt because I love them that way. Yeah. So guys, it is done. I've mixed everything well, and now it's my time to prepare them, to prepare my pancakes. Yeah, as you can see, I'm using a pan. Yeah, I'll use that to prepare them. That is the first one. Yeah, so guys, I've already prepared two of them. As you can see, they are well done, and now I'm trying to prepare the third one. Yeah, can you comment down on the comment section and tell me how they have turned out and how you usually prepare your pancakes? So guys, these are my final results. Please, can you tell me how they have turned out? Did I prepare them well? So this was the same day, and I was preparing supper, rice and potatoes. As you can see guys, here I've already fried my onions, and now I was trying to mix them with my onions and green pepper and ginger. Yeah, let's see how it will come out. Now as you can see guys, it is well done, and now it was my time to add my meat and mix it with it. And now it's the high time I prepare the rice. This is water. Yes, I had already mixed my potatoes with the meat and the onions and tomatoes. So now I'm using the soup or the stew that I got it from my meat, my beef. After I boiled it, I usually use that soup for it to taste well, to be delicious. You guys, I'm so sorry, I'm not used to this voiceover thing. I'm trying to get used to it. As you can see guys, it's now the time to prepare our rice, my rice. So yeah, I usually use water. I usually use water, plain water, and some little oil so that it can get little oil and so that it can taste well, guys. As you can see, my beef stew, or the mixture of my beef, that is potatoes, onions, tomatoes, it is getting ready on the other pot. Yeah, right now I was adding salt, as I told you before. Let's wait until it's done now. So guys, I'm done, and right now I was trying to clean my kitchen or my working space. I love it clean while I'm at kitchen. When I use something, I have a rule in my house that wash it as you go. So after I'm done with everything, I usually wash them and return to where they are supposed to be. And now it was the time to go and see if my food, if I'm done cooking, or it's well cooked. And as you can see, my rice is well cooked and it's ready to be served. Yeah, so now my food was well cooked and ready to be served, my beef stew and my white rice. And here I was trying to serve myself and my husband. Yes, you guys, yeah, so as you can see, I'm serving myself and my husband. Let me know on the comment section whether I've done it the right way. Do you prepare your rice as I've done it? Do you prepare your stew use it the same process I've used it? Do I need to correct somewhere? You guys, you tell me on the comment section, and I'll correct where it should be corrected. Yes, I stand to be corrected. And guys, this is my first over. I've never done it before. Yeah, I'm so nervous and I'm so scared. Next time I promise to be friend, and very well I'll do it very well. So you guys, I'm done and I'm ready to serve my husband. Yeah, we visited the Miron's family. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. The Miron's family. We also done a video on their channel with them, so please go and watch them and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Let me eat. And with my husband, let me serve my husband, and let us enjoy our food. Hope you are good, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, please, if you haven't subscribed. If you are new here, welcome home. This is where you belong. Yeah, we usually do vlogs, daily life vlogs, weekly meal. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscription button, so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get notified. Look at how delicious it looks. You guys, I'm done. Yes, let me know in the comment section how it looks, how it has turned out, if I've done it well. Yeah guys, bye, love you.